Go to the File menu and select Consolidation Wizard. This tool allows you to create a new consolidated client for your group of companies, along with a consolidated chart of accounts. Start by naming the consolidated company and selecting the currency in which the reports will be generated. Next, choose the companies you want to include in the new consolidated client. Create the consolidated chart of accounts by selecting a base client from the group and using that chart of accounts as a starting point. Assign a name to the new consolidated chart. You can easily modify it later using the chart editing tools. ProudNumbers will alert you if a nominal code doesn't appear in the consolidated client's chart, but is used in one of the companies in the group. Never format spreadsheets again.